guys, this is Jay with Inspired Designs with Jay, and I am standing in my dining room right now. As you can see from the last video, behind me is the front room, as I call it, and back behind the bookcases is the sunroom, so you can really get a sense of how big this apartment is. As I stated previously, it's about 1,400 square feet in this apartment, and I was so lucky to find it, and for the price it was unbelievable. So what I'm going to do now is show you the dining room and what I am going to be doing to it, and changing out and so on and so forth, and my current tablescape, but I will do a holiday tablescape, and I'll show you that in the next vlogs coming up. And I'm going to turn you around now, and so you can see the dining room. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share my videos. I'm in need of subscribers, and I appreciate you coming along this tour with me, and I'm going to turn you around now. Alright guys, here's the dining room, and it is a work in progress. I will take you closer over to the buffet. There's really no art on the walls, as you can see. I hate popcorn ceilings, and what I would like to do is that light, it's not centered, but eventually hang a chandelier. Well, I do have a chandelier, but there's an attachment that I need for that light to hang the chandelier, and I haven't found it right, or I haven't found it at the right price, let's say that. And so that mirror actually is from my dresser in my bedroom. I thought it looked better there than on my dresser in my bedroom, which we will get into that, because the dresser is actually not in my bedroom. It's going to be in my future closet. And this is the current table. Not sure if I'm going to change it out or not. Maybe DIY a different pedestal and keep the table, and I would like to see the table the same color as the legs of the chairs, so it has a cohesive flow. And let me take you closer. Let me give you a look at the chair, the back of the chair. Now this is a DIY that I did. Those tassels are from Big Lots, and those knobs are from eBay, and all I did was combine the two with a little hot glue, and there you have it. Tell me what you think about that DIY down in the comments below. And this table is pretty old. Had it for a while, but I think a round table fits better in here than a square one, so I will be keeping it. And so here's my place setting. I think this is from Dollar Tree. This is from Dollar General, and it was $2 for the wooden ones. And this is Dollar Tree with the gold trim. This is from, there's the salad plate matching the soup bowl. And this was a set that I picked up a long time ago, but it has a silver rim. These napkins, I believe, were from Ross, and also the napkin rings. things. I'll be doing a holiday setup in the upcoming videos, so stay tuned for that. And just gonna swing you out. Now these are tiles that I'll be putting on the kitchen floor, and they're like a grayish marble. Let me see if I can. Oh, there is one that's pulled out. So let me give you a close up. It's a grayish marble. Nothing. I don't know if I like that or not. I haven't. I haven't laid it down on the floor really to take a look at it, but I wish it was white instead of grayish, so we'll see what we're going to do with that. And here is the buffet. I've bought this buffet a long time ago for like $25, and I've experimented with, of course, this silver top, which I do not like. That's why this corner is white, because I thought maybe I would paint it white. And that's the original color down there. You can see it's, which I think I'm going to strip it and paint it or stain it the same color as the legs on the chair. And each chair has the DIY tassels on the back. So I think that's what I'm going to do, so that all the pieces kind of match. And I think I'm also going to do the mirror. I don't know if I'm going to keep the mirror this color, but it looks like it needs another coat of the silver paint. And these lamps I got from Dollar General a long time ago, and I DIY'd the sparkle on them. What this vignette looks like. I'm not going to keep it this way. I DIY'd that diamond wrap on there. It's grape motif. You guys know I love grapes, and those candlesticks are from, you guessed it, Dollar Tree, and I put the diamond wrap on there. Those won't stay. You can see from the summer melted that. And that's my platter, the matching platter. And this, the platter and the grape set and these two right here came from Hobby Lobby years ago, and they were all on clearance, and I think I got, it's this platter that there's a picture behind me and a utensil cylinder, and these two, I think I paid $50 for them because it was 90% off everything at Hobby Lobby that one particular year, and I thought I just walked away with a lot, and it was a great deal. These, I don't know what I'm going to do with those. Actually, this is a corbel for a curtain rod that I just flipped upside down, and this is actually a candle stick holder. So I just put these two together because I didn't know what to do with them. I liked them both. So we'll see. And again, this is a DIY. These shades came from Tuesday Morning years ago. And here's a closer look at the diamond wrap on that. Nothing fancy, but we're gonna see what we're gonna take you on the journey of doing that. Kitchen is over there behind me, and again, here's the dining room. Nothing fancy and nothing on the walls. I used to have these blue and white. It used to be blue and white because all my furniture was this like turquoise and brown or teal and brown kind of furniture. That was very popular a few years ago, and so I also paired it with blue and white china, which I got rid of all of that. I think I have some salt and pepper shakers, but they were antiques, so I didn't get rid of those. And now everything is gold, gray, white, or cream. That's my theme moving forward, more neutral, more modern. And there you have it, guys. That is my dining room. Please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and share the video. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. So you guys have a great day. Bye.